In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a green screen video in Canva. We'll walk through the full process, from choosing your background to removing the green screen from your video, all inside Canva's editor. By the end, you'll be able to place yourself or any subject on top of any background you like, without needing complicated video software. First, open your project inside the Canva editor. Once your design is open, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find your main tools. To choose a background, you can either go to the Elements team or the Uploads tab. If you want to use a solid color, gradient, or a stock image from Canva, head into Elements and search for what you need. If you already have a background image on your computer, go to Upload so you can bring that file into Canva. After you've found the background you want, click on it to add it to your canvas. It will appear as a regular image at first. To turn it into the full background, right-click on the image and choose Set Image as Background. This will automatically stretch it to fill your entire page or video frame, so you don't have to resize anything manually. Now it's time to bring in your green screen video. Go back to the Uploads panel on the left. If you haven't uploaded your green screen clip yet, click on Upload Files and select your video from your device. Give Canva a moment to upload it, especially if the file is large. Once the upload is complete, click on your green screen video to add it to the canvas. You'll see it appear on top of your background. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners or move it around simply by clicking and dragging until it's in the position you want. With the video selected, look at the toolbar along the top of the editor. You should see an option labeled BG Remover. Click on that. Canva will start processing your video, and you'll notice a loading indicator with a percentage showing the progress. Just wait for it to finish. This might take a little while depending on the length and quality of your video. Once the process is complete, the green background in your video will disappear, leaving only the main subject on top of your chosen background. At this point, you can play around with the size and placement again, or swap out the background image if you change your mind. And that's it. You've successfully created a green screen video in Canva, ready to download, share, or keep editing as part of a larger project.